What's up everybody, how y'all doing? We are back with a video today. We actually got ourselves a little bit of a saddlebag to go, I believe right here is where it's gonna mount up. Something like that. Not really positive. We're gonna have to figure it out. But it was $30, so a little bit better than the $100 one in terms of pricing. Now, in terms of size and quality, I'll have to look up the dimensions and compare them. We'll throw them on screen. But, I mean, so far this feels, decent for the price point. Is it real leather? I don't know. I don't believe so. Doesn't really smell like it. Doesn't really, this is nice in here. Yeah, this is nice. Ooh, it's got like a little zipper bag inside. It's pretty spacious. Definitely enough room to keep the wallet and like all that small bullshit and probably like a water and a few other things. Your registration and all that good stuff too. So we got, let's see, some mounting straps here. These are nice mounting straps. Oh, it came with zip ties too. Perfect. I was gonna say I kind of want to zip tie it as well. So we got 4 zip ties. We got 4 leather pleather, or 3 pleather little straps. I don't think these are real leather. They don't smell like leather or necessarily feel like real leather either. But for 30 bucks, it'll do. We'll see how it goes. It actually came with install instructions, so looks like we do want it on this side. Let's go ahead and figure out how we're gonna do it. Okay, let's pop this off. We might need to remove the seat to get around here, so let's go ahead and do that while we're ahead. Alright, you got the seat off. It looks pretty trick. I like it. Alright, now we gotta zip tie it. Figured out why they send 2. You need 2 for the right here. But alright. Let's do a bit of a closer up look here real quick while I got this off. Definitely pretty shit quality if you see here. It's some foam with some pleather. But hey, it's working. I realize how I'm supposed to do this now, so we're gonna do that the proper way this time. These are supposed to go on top, and then the strap piece that comes through goes to here into the bag so that it's not just hanging around. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and set up real quick, because I'm silly. Oh, we should probably turn the music off. So what did we learn from this? The $30 one is trash. But it'll probably serve its job, and if you don't get it wet, it'll be probably alright. But then it's like, I want to clean my bike. It's pretty dirty, as you can see. I haven't cleaned it in a minute. And, cleaning it now is going to be a problem, because if I get this wet, it could get destroyed. But either way, I'm not really too worried about it. It was $30. That's what I was worried about. Holy shit. God damn, I never want to take that off again. Okay, so we got the seat on, we got the cover on, and everything back. This cover was a bitch to put in with the bag here. The clamp right here is kind of in the way, so just be careful when you're tightening it. You don't want to pull it too tight. Everything should be good. All the stuff is in here. We've cut everything off that's in the way. This one's up in. So yeah, it's pretty good. We're about to go to Menards to sit on it and see how it feels. Good shifter room. I can put my foot back. I feel it when I put my foot back all the way, which I don't really often do. I normally ride like with the 1/4 right there, or the 1/2 foot, like this. It really just depends. In corners, I scraped peg the other day. That's how low I was, which was kind of crazy. I don't know, it was kind of scary. I feel like I need to slow down a little bit, but yeah, my foot was out, or my foot was like fully back that time, and I literally scraped peg. But the few times before that, I've been having my foot out too far, and I've been like scraping my foot, and you can kind of see like on my toe, like I got toe drag from the fucking road. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of weird. I don't know. I feel like I'm doing things I shouldn't be doing. I say it's weird, but it's just me being unsafe and not doing safe things. So we got the bag here. We're gonna see what we can fit in it. We're about to go to Menards. So we're gonna take the mirror with us. And I need some new ones of these. So we'll probably just fit them in here. Bada boom, bada bing. That's beautiful. Now we're out on the road cruising. And I will say, oh God, that was a little bit bumpy right there. I will say the bag is noticeable when you are moving, like when you're like walking the bike. It's definitely noticeable, if that makes any sense. So like when I'm flat footing it, I can feel it all, which is like whatever, but something to point out. Oh God, you know. I don't know why this dude's being a dick. It's 45. I'm going 45. Like, get out of here. I'm not trying to speed right now, bro. I didn't cut you off. I didn't do anything wrong. Straight up. Yeet. We're gonna stand on that. But hopefully we can get something for the mirror. But we'll see what happens. I'm not really positive that they're gonna have what we need. I got some from Ace the other day and they were like way too fucking small, so it is what it is. We're gonna head and get over into this lane, baby, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, yeah. Why are you following me? Don't like that. See, like right now though, I don't know if you can tell, it's like right in my leg. And maybe it's a cop, I don't fucking know. But like, it's just like, it's weird. Oh well. It holds all of the shit, so that's all that really matters. That's our only goal, is to have somewhere to store our personal belongings. And we have accomplished that. Nah, ain't no fucking cop, it's a douche in a truck. I'm just a douche on a bike though, so don't let me tell you otherwise. Oh, we're two-legging it. My feet was in the air, baby. I was being dramatic, but it's fine. Shit. I'm in one of those fuck it modes, you know? I feel very talkative, but I got the new bag, and I wanted to use the new bag and make a video on it, and then get the pieces to put the other mirrors for the underbar setup on. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll probably finish this video off tomorrow. Yo, I forgot they added a Culver's here. Ooh, and a Texas Roadhouse, baby. That's gonna be dank. All this new food, so close. They close in like an hour, so we'll be quick with it. So yeah, I don't really feel it when I'm moving my feet around, but when I am like flat footing it, I definitely feel it, especially when I'm like walking the bike and I'm on the bike. But oh well, let's go ahead and park in this front spot, baby. Skirt. Get some good pictures of it in a minute. Boom. Boom. Boom, I will put a link in the description. But let's see, we got this and this. And then I need to get the gas cap. Don't let me forget, I got a gas cap. Huh. Alright. Let's get this shit going. I ended up getting a whole new respirator mask. So we're gonna probably see how to go about this and if it'll fit or not. We might have to just, we might have to just take it out real quick. Do one of these good old fucking yeet, just throw that in the trash. And then our rebate, both of our brass, we got brass pieces, so we'll throw that in there. And then we'll throw this and the mirror. Since this one is trash, we'll just throw it in the trash. I guess real quick before I actually go, let's show y'all. It made it home. It's on. Nothing caught on fire. Nothing's caught in the chain. Got no issues so far. Let's go ahead and open her up. Bada boom, bada bing. We got the mirror. Got the mask. Got the stuff for the mask. And yeah, well, we got some paperwork for the mask as well that we probably really don't need. And then our little spacers, so. Alright, so last night we ended up getting the bag on, and this morning I ended up putting the new mirrors on, and I think it's greatly improved the location of the right mirror. Without having to move my arms, I'm able to see the mirrors and I can see behind me and everything that's going on. So I think they'll greatly help with that. We'll have to get another video where we go out and ride and test how they do. I don't want to make this video like 40 minutes long, 30 minutes long, so we're going to just cut it basically at this point and say, hey, we got the bag installed, we got the mirrors installed, I like how it's looking, it's feeling a little bit more personalized and customized to my liking. The only thing is, I kind of regret getting the red handles and kind of wish I got the black ones, but it is what it is. I think if we were to make the tank and the rear fender black, I think that could help. But my goal at this point is to probably get a seat because Melissa has been asking about riding with me on the bike, so I would like to take her out for a ride. And then my daughter as well was curious about going on the bike, so I think getting a seat with a sissy bar will be a nice improvement. It'll change the look of the bike, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter too much. I don't think it'll change the functionality, so hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.